Just making a quick update video about the 1.8 into the Audi Coupe Quattro swap. This morning I installed a oil filter relocation kit. This is just kind of a universal deal. I think it's but the threads happen to be the same thread pitch as the factory one. On the other side, it's going to be a 20 millimeter by 1.5 thread pitch, so I'm going to have to use a filter for a Honda or something. But so far I just ran it directly here to here, from the factory location to where I want it to be. Made a little angle iron bracket here. Should work pretty well. This is cool too because it gives me two nice threaded ports for an oil pressure sensor and oil temperature sensor, which I'll install later. That's not too urgent for me right now. But I'm gonna run it like this, and once I have the location of the radiator figured out, which is probably gonna end up landing in the factory spot over here, then I can run one of these lines, make a new line and run it to the oil cooler, and that'll tee into the system right here through these lines. So what I'm going to do, rather than running a oil thermostat to the cooler, I'm just going to take the oil cooler and kind of sandwich it real close to the front of the radiator to pick up residual heat off the radiator to get the oil up to temp quicker. But just trying to keep the system as simple as possible. Here it looks like it's mounted kind of low where the filter is going to be, but it's going to line up well. This engine is actually going to be tilted in such a way where that a standard size oil filter is going to land it about where I want it. So that's it. Just waiting on the clutch kit to show up. So next week, hopefully, I'll be sticking this engine in there, and yeah, I'll make more videos when it's being installed, and that's it. So getting close. Thanks.